Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal, for those of you who are new, and if you are new, I'm a big project planner and I love to use up my makeup, skincare, hair care, anything like that. I love to get the best use out of everything. So if that interests you, please subscribe. But today I am a little late with this. I didn't even know if I would do this video, honestly, but I just showed you some makeup that I want to use up throughout the year, my new project pan. My new project pan started in March, the end of March, but I am still using some of the products that I was still using last project pan. I didn't use up everything, but I do have some progress that I do want to show you because I am starting to use up some of my products. That's what made me kind of consider doing a video just showing you what I'm still using, what I'm using up, and what I plan on bringing in within the next month or so. So if you're interested in seeing what I'll be bringing in and what I've been using and using up, just keep on watching. Let's just go ahead and start with my foundation that I'm using, but I did just use this foundation up from Nude Sticks, and I've been using this for quite a while. This is the second one that I've used up, so this is what it looks like. I've taken everything out of here that I can. I don't always cut this open, but I always, until it doesn't pump anymore, that's when I just consider it gone. But now I'm using this here, and this was a sample I had gotten from Smashbox, and I don't remember even when I had this, or when I got this, but this is the Smashbox Halo. This is the the Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. It has this broad spectrum of 25, but I don't even know if that broad spectrum is good anymore because this is a little bit old, but I'm wearing it right now. I do quite like it. It's very thin. It doesn't have much of a coverage, but for now, I'm making it work. And I've been using this here for my bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Contour Palette. If you've been following me, you know I've been using this. I'll just show you where I am right now. I still don't have much progress on here, but it is what it is. I'm just taking a quick break from this. I have a couple of these here. These are also samples from Giorgio Armani, and this is the Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. I had forgotten that this is not a good color for me at all for a foundation, but I have it right now on as a this is a bronzer here I'm using it for, and I think it works pretty well for that. And then I've just powder over it to keep it in place all day, and I really do like this. I think it works really well, and I'm not sure how long this is going to take to use up, but I'm hoping to have this used up before summer starts because then, I don't know how this is going to be, I don't normally like using liquid or anything like that as far as a bronzer or a blush because it tends to move around when I get hot or just throughout the day if I get oily skin. So I'm hoping these two will be used up before summer starts or before the actual weather gets warm. It's still pretty chilly where I live, but so I'm hoping to use those up. And then I'm using this here. This is the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Set and Glow. So I have this on as well. I already used this up a while ago. As much as I wanted to, I didn't quite like it. But so I do have a pan here, as you can see. I'm thinking maybe by the end of next month, if not the middle of next month, this will be used up. And when it is, I'm just going to go ahead and use this here. It's a little mixed up right now, but I'll be using this as the setting powder because it's basically my skin tone. Once this is mixed up a little bit with the bronzer, I'll just have to clean it up a little. But so I'll be using that when this is used up. And I am using the blush that I've been using for a while now. It's not going anywhere. So this is the Lover's Blush. And of course, if you are new, this is the Estee Lauder, what is this called again? A Real Cheeky Pure Color Envy Blush and Contour Kit. I've been working on this for a long time. I'll just go in close for you. I've been using both this blush here and this highlighter. And right now, I would say the highlighter might be going first. You can't really tell real good on this camera, but pretty sure that the highlighter is going to go before the blush. It's just a softer formula, softer powder, and I just think it's going to go faster, but I'm not sure how long this is going to take to use up. It's a nice color. I have it on right now. It's just a very natural color, which I appreciate. It's great for every day. And then my eyeshadow that I'm using right now, I still have, I put them in little containers because I'm using this here. This is my e.l.f. palette that I've had for a very long time. And I had a couple of containers here where I just put some powders in it to try to work through it instead of holding this big old palette all the time. It's just really big, so I just thought I'd put a few all together and use it for that. Because honestly, I'm using it just kind of as a powder to hold this here, and it blends really well together with this. This is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Strobe Balm palette, excuse me. So, and I will tell you, I had a color in there. This one here on the bottom, I actually took this out, scraped it in this right here. Oh, nope, that's the wrong one. I scraped it in this one, and I'm calling that one quits. I've been using another shade right now, and until it starts hitting, start seeing a pan, I'm not going to scrape it in to it again. I'm going to reuse that though. But this is the one I'm using right now, and it's a really pretty color. I have it on right now. It's just really a light color. It works really well. And again, I have been using this and these combined. I have this here, and there's just a little bit left for the eyeshadow that I have by my eyebrows here. And so this is what I have left. I do have to pick some new colors to use. I'm not surprised. I only had like 3. There wasn't as much in here as there was in this one here. So I will be choosing some new to work on now. But I'm trying to think if I missed anything. Oh, foundations and my mascara that I'm going to be using. So I'm still using the same eyeliner as I've been using for quite a while now. And I don't think it's going to get used up anytime soon or dried out. And you can't even see it, but I'll let you know when this is used up. I got this. It's in such bad shape. You can't even read it. When that starts drying out, I'll use another one, but I think it has a long time to go. But when my foundation, or the one I'm using for my foundation, is gone, this one here, I have these 2 chosen. This is the Tarte Hydroflex it's a Fairlight Beige is the color, and it's the Hydroflex Tarte C Serum Foundation. So I have a couple of these, and so I'm excited to use these when this little sample one is used up. And I'm still using this here, and I don't need to replace it anytime soon. This is the Eco Fabulous as a concealer. So this is what I have right now. I use it mainly underneath my eyes to get rid of my dark circles. And I do use it a little bit on my face. Right now I have a little bit more of this on because I have this is such a light, it doesn't really hide anything, it just kind of glows your face. It's very nice. But as far as concealing anything, it doesn't do anything. So this works really well for that. And then I'm going to go back to my eyeshadow. Well, before I do, I almost forgot. I'm still using this. This is the Benefit Browsings Pro Palette. And I've gotten a lot of use out of this. This is where I am right now. I'm using this shade right here. And I do have quite a big dip in there. So I have a feeling it's going to be maybe a month and a half. Could be a little longer before that shade's used up. I almost forgot before I started my eyeshadows to tell you about. This is the Benefit Magnet Mascara. And I really like this. I'm thinking this is going to actually dry up sooner than I thought it would. I thought it would get through the month, but I'm not quite sure now. It's getting pretty dry. But I do have another one, the same thing. So I'm going to bring in this little travel one when I use up this one. It's a really nice mascara. I really like it. And I've gotten a set, I think it was 2 of these, and 1 of these also was like a Christmas gift set. So I'm going to use this one up when this one is, or at least start it when the other one's used up. So back to my eyeshadows. Let's take the cover off. It is a broken cover, unfortunately. So I do have a ways to go on, sorry, I'm looking for my nope, that's not it. Okay, well, I already showed you it anyway. Oh, there it is. So I have a ways to go with this here. These are the brown eyeshadows, but I might choose some now because I'm not sure how it's going to take. If it's going to take maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I'm not sure. So I'll go ahead and choose some new ones anyway, even though I have some to use. But as far as the top, for my eyebrows, I am going to use the top ones here. I'm just working the top, working my way down. So I'm going to start using at least these 4 here. So I have this really light shade here. It's really pretty. It's like a white color. And then this one is a little bit, I mean, they're kind of like the same shades other than this one. This one is more of like a pinky, but here, I'll just go and swatch them. So these are the shades, and I think they're going to be really nice by my eyebrows. Really are pretty colors. I like those kind of shades next to my eyebrows. Just kind of lightens the look a little bit. And as far as the browns go, I think I'm going to, I'm just going to pick the ones on the bottom. There's so many to choose here, but I think I'll choose these three. I'm just going to choose three this time since I still have quite a bit in there. But these are darker, but it looks really nice. I think it will anyway, alongside of this palette here that I'm trying to use up, of course. So actually, I'll just go ahead and swatch. Oh, where do I have room here? So these are the colors that I will be mixing together with this here. And it's actually, this cream mixes really well with any of these browns. And I think, here, I'll just kind of, maybe I can use whatever I have left. And I just mix it all together. So that's what I think it's going to look like. I mean, it's very neutral, very everyday, which is what I want to use right now. And so, yeah, I think that's about it. And I know this is a little bit late of a video. I wasn't even sure if I was going to film this, but I started using up some of my products and figured, why not? I mean, if anything, it'll just be a little bit less time in between this month and next month. So it'll be, instead of 4 weeks, it's going to be 3 weeks for my update, but I just thought I'd go ahead, let you guys know how I'm doing. If you're a project planner, I hope you're doing well as well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Please subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.